Plenary sessions are the most important moments in the European Parliament's calendar. Over 30 hours of debates, discussions and votes take place in the hemicycle in the space of 4 days. But it's far from all. When not in the chamber, members go to one of 160 meetings that are scheduled during the plenary. To ensure transparency, details of these meetings are listed on the European Parliament's website. It's 6 p.m. on Tuesday. It's political groups time. In the European People's Party group, MEPs are exchanging ideas with a commissioner. The group has to decide which positions it will defend on the latest reports. At the same time, a debate on Syria is going on in the plenary. Representing the Socialists and Democrats, this MEP is also due to get back to his group meeting. Each of the 8 political groups will get together at least once during the week. And for some groups, this could even mean as many as 50 meetings in 4 days, as their national delegations meet separately. The plenary is also an occasion for some committees to carry out urgent work, and as during votes, attendance is checked. Members have other obligations like talking with diplomats and explaining policy decisions to visitors. Finally, MEPs have to speak to the media to keep everyone informed, which all makes for a very packed diary. The plenary chamber is only the visible part of what MEPs do, but their work goes far beyond the walls of meeting rooms. In or out of the chamber, the work continues.